Epic battle between Flame Byxis 230 WD and Lightning L-Drago 105 RF. Let's get this started. Round 1. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, L-Drago. Are you going to be the first one to take it down in this series? Go, L-Drago. I know 230 has trouble against taller bays if they were to spin to the left. So if I had a taller track on you, it would have a bit of trouble. But I know it has trouble against Medio L-Drago. Tried that already. But it looks like Byxis takes round 1. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, so. Go. Come on, L-Drago. Go. Come on, L-Drago. Well, don't that stink? Well, looks like Flame Byxis has won yet again. Will anyone be able to defeat it with 3 bays left in the series? If you like this video, like, favorite, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.